Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a question from algebra. Solve fifth root of whole 16 plus square root x plus fifth root of 16 minus square root of x equals to 2. We have to solve it. So what we'll do? Let the first term be some variable u and second will be some variable v. So u equals to let fifth root of 16 plus square root of x equals to u, and fifth root of 16 minus square root of x equals to v. Then we are getting u plus v equals to 2, equation 1. Now when u equals to fifth root of 16 plus square root of x, that means u power 5 raising to the power 5 both the sides, I'll get 16 plus square root x. In the same way, v equals to fifth root of 16 minus square root of x. So this gives us v power 5 equal to 16 minus square root x. So let's take, then again I am getting u power 5, adding these two expression, 2 and 3, u to the power 5 and v to the power 5 equals to 16 plus square root of x plus 16 minus square root of x equals to 32, because these two will be cancelled. So you can assume some u and v, we can frame the equation, but I am not going in that way. I am directly going for u plus v power 5. So when I'll expand u plus v power 5, I am using the binomial theorem, that is u power 5 plus 5 combination 1, that is 5 u4 v power 1. Next 5 combination 2, that is 10 u power 3 v power 2. Then 5 combination 3, that is again 10 u square v cube. Then 5c combination 4, that is your 5 again, this is u v to the power 4. And last one is 5 combination 5, that is 1 u power 0 and v power 5. And u plus v equals to 2, so this is 2 power 5 equal to 32. So let's arrange these terms in the equation. U power 5 plus v power 5 plus, I'm taking 5 together, so it will be 5 u power 4 plus 5 u power plus 10 u cube v square plus 10 u square v cube is equal to 32, or u power 5 v power 5. I'm not writing u to the 5, it's just I'm writing 32. So again, this total gives us 32. 32 will be cancelled. So I'm getting 10. From this I'm taking 10 common. So 10, I'm taking u square, v square common. So within the bracket I'll get u plus v, and here I'll take common 5 uv, then within bracket here it will be u cube, and here it will be plus v cube equals to 0. So 10 u square v square, u plus v I can put immediately, this is 2 plus 5 uv. Now I am writing this one in term of u plus v. That will be u plus v whole cube minus 3 uv within bracket u plus v. This is equal to 0. Or this gives us 20 u square v square plus u plus v is your 2. So this will be 5 uv 8 minus 3 uv, 3 uv as it is, and here u plus v again is 2. This is equal to 0. Or 20 u square v square plus 5 uv, 5 plus 5 into 8, that will be 40 uv minus 30 u square v square equals to 0. Or I am getting 40 uv minus 10 u square v square equals to 0. This gives us, well, take common 4 uv. I'm taking 10 common, 10 uv common. 10 uv common, so I'll get uv minus 4 is 0. Taking minus outside. Or this gives us either u into v equals to 0 or uv minus 4 equals to 0. This gives us uv is equal to 4. So uv can be 0, uv can be 4. So u plus v was 2 and u into v is equal to 0. In place of v, I can write this is 2 minus u. So replacing here, I'll get u multiplies 2 minus u equals to 0. So either u is 0 or u is equal to 2. If u is 2, then v is equal to 0. This is one solution. Next is if uv equals to 4, u plus v equals to 2, you know. So this will be u into 2 minus u equals to 0, or Then it is 4, sorry, it is 4. This gives us twice u minus u square minus 4 is equal to 0, or I'm getting u square minus twice u plus 4 is 0. So here if I'll solve this quadratic equation using formula, I'll get u is equals to 2 plus minus b square, that will be 4 minus 4 into 4 16 by 2. So this is not real. So u is 2 and v is 0. This is the solution we got from here. So what was u? U was square root of, fifth root of 16 plus square root of x equals to 2. That means 16 plus square root of x is equal to 32, or square root of x is equal to 16. This gives us x is equal to 16 square. So x equals to 256. Is there any other answer? No. Because if you put v is equal to 0, there also you will get the same answer. So fifth root of 16 plus square root of x plus fifth root of 16 minus square root of x equals to 2 gives the solution x is equal to only one answer, that is 256. So if we put it here v is equal to 0, then again it will be 16 minus under root x is 16. If we put v here, I'm writing a v is 0, that means your 0, that means 16 minus square root of x is 0, or square root of x is 16 again. So x is equal to 256. So thank you for watching. Keep on watching to learn, because there is no end in learning.